Alright, quick snippet. I'll tell you more during the daylight hours. But I'm possibly getting a dog. A pupper. A doggo. 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 That sounds weird. We'll see you later. Excuse the mess, everybody, but here's my boy. Look at you, you're so handsome. He eating dinner right now. More to come. Did you find any toys? You find more toys? You found a toy? Did you find a toy? Did you? Did you? Who's a good boy? Oh, you. That ball. I want to get that ball. I want to get that ball. Give me that ball. It's my ball. It's my ball. It's mine. It's mine. It's my ball. It's my ball. Is that your ball? Is that your ball? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? You're a good boy. Yes, you are, Tapu. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, hey, it's a baby. Well, today we're just kind of chilling by ourselves. It's the Brenna. Brenna! 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 Bren! Bren! Brenny! Bren! You turd. But Tompos is enjoying himself. It's one of his favorite type of toys. The spiky type rubber balls. And I hate winter in Michigan. He got a bone. He got a bone. Did he get a bone? Yeah, he got a bone. Oh, did you get your toy? Wait, come back. I love you. I'm your paparazzi. Let me love you. Look at that handsome face. Look at him. Come back. Come back. Tapu. What are you doing? No, leave that alone. Before you make it fall down. Tapu. Dude. Thank you. I love you. I love you. I know I look like a bit of a mess and whatnot. My hair looks ridiculous. Some of it is kind of wet from the snow. But, yeah. Yes, my new dog. He's so cute. I love my dog. He's so cute. I actually feel a whole lot less stressed. He's an awesome dog. I love him. He's my baby boy. Aren't you, Tompo? Tompo! Tompo! Yay! Alright. Till next time. Bye.